Hi, my name is John Tobe from Naples, Florida. We wound up with a Galeon 400 fly after going to a boat show a couple years ago, actually, in Naples, and checking out it was a 640. We really fell in love with the Galeon fit and finish and the just the usefulness, the design that Galeon built in their boats. The name La Serenus is a hotel in Positano, Italy that my fiance and I went to 2 years ago, and we just had an amazing experience in Italy and fell in love with La Serenus, and the name is sirens as mermaids, and there's an island off of Positano that's shaped like a mermaid, and it's like the island of mermaids. So we thought it was an appropriate name for our boat, and we are actually getting married in September in Ravello, Italy, and we'll be there, not on our boat, but on a yacht we chartered for our honeymoon. So that's where the name came from. We've had it less than a month, and it's our first trip to Key West with the Galeon Rendezvous, and it's been it's an amazing boat out on the waters. We were probably 5 and 6 foot chop, and it handled it great. So really happy with it.